Now this grand display is our Silsden kitchen. Silsden is a 20mm thick timber door which has been crafted with a raised and fielded centre panel. The stunning details on the door are highlighted here in two bespoke colours, with the island being in a very on-trend blush pink. The warm and muted colours that we've chosen are complemented well with the warm colours in the handles and also in the gold veining on this quartz worktop. Adding to that warmth, we've included a number of glazed units and open carcasses in our natural Lancaster Oak finish. Some traditional additions to this display include the pilasters, the wooden breakfast bar and the plate rack. There are two parts to this kitchen that really make an impression, one of which is the fridge and freezer. For this section, we've opted to use our 2150 high units. This means that they sit taller than the rest of the kitchen. Also the mantle, which is actually a 12 10mm high dresser unit, has actually been packed up to sit higher. That's allowed us to run a large upstand all the way around the cooking area. By creating two tiers on the island, we've created a separation between the dining space and the preparation and cleaning space. The raised breakfast bar has been created by using 900mm high base units. A kitchen of this calibre would not be complete without the luxury addition of a solid surface worktop.